Alright guys, so here I have the Jordan 7 Cardinals. These shoes I actually wanted in high school. Again, I grew up with just a single mother, so at that time my mom could not afford these shoes for me. But today I can buy them for myself, and I have them right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just open the box. Boom. And before we open the box, let me go ahead and show you the box. So I don't know why they sent it in this box. I don't know if this is the original box it's supposed to come in. I feel like this is for the 5s, but let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the side view. This is just ordered them size 9. Just like authentication labels and stuff like that. This is the bottom of the box. And this is the front. And this is the other right side of it. And we'll just go ahead and open them now. Now this is some nice paper. Again, I feel like this paper comes with the 5s. I'm not sure though. I'm not a real shoe collector yet, but I'm getting into it. And here they are. Now these are just beautiful. These are my favorite colors: black, red, and white, and gold. Literally my favorite color. So these shoes are perfect for me. Unfortunately, I might have to buy another pair. This is the first time I'm actually taking them out of the box, and I'm actually surprised. This has like a bluish tinge to it, but it's not bad. I still like it, but it's not white. I love the back of these shoes. As you guys saw from my other video on my citrus, the back is my favorite. You guys already know. The shoe basically has a sock inside of it, which it grabs your foot real nice. It makes it so comfortable to wear these. Feels like you have a glove on your foot. It's pretty cool. But let me go ahead. I'm gonna give you guys some side shots as I always do, and the last thing is on foot. But yeah guys, here they are. Check that out guys. These are beautiful shoes. Now this is the blue tinge I was telling you guys about. It's a little different. I didn't know that was that color, so that's why it threw me off. But the leather on these is beautiful. It's like actual high quality leather. Like, it's pretty thick. It feels like my belt. This is the back of the shoe. Nicholas, what are you doing? Look at my little boy. This is the side. Now the side of the shoe. And last but not least, we'll do the front and just give you a quick little pan on it.